Oh God! We're good. Look what happened. And the brakes are dialed. Hey guys, how are you doing? Welcome to my bike check for the STF Mobile Bike Shop. I guess you always start with the frame with a bike check. So this is a 2020 Colt DAC. It's got a 21-inch top tube, and the rear end ranges from 13.4 to 13.6. And I run that pretty much slammed, so it's about 13.4 in the back end. We'll stay on the front end. I have the Colt Salvation stem, which is a 46 millimeter stem. And then with the bars, these are the Demolition fast and loose bars, pull back or die. For grips, I'm running the classic ODI long necks, no flange. I kind of like it that way. And then the fork. This is a Colt fork. Not exactly sure what Colt fork that is, but it feels pretty good. And then for the front wheel, that is a Odyssey Vandero hub laced to a Odyssey Hazard Light rim. And then for pegs, I'm running the Shadow pegs. They're a little over 4 inches long, but I really like them, and they're metal. Steel is real. I guess let's do the tires. This in the front, I'm running an Odyssey Aitken tire. That's the best tire for dirt. And the rear tire, I run an Odyssey Path. That's my favorite tire combination. I always like running a slicker tire in the back. For the wheel, in the back, I'm running a Odyssey Anti-Gram with a 9-tooth driver placed to an Odyssey Hazard Light in chrome for better stopping power. Let's see what else we got. Let's go with the seat. This is a Tree Bike Co seat. Just looks pretty sick. It's nice to grab for toboggans. And then the seat post is an Animal seat post, 200 millimeter, so it's way longer than what is shown right here. Moving on to the cranks, these are the Colt Hawk cranks in chrome, about 170 mils. And then the sprocket is the, let's see, what is the sprocket? It's an Odyssey
Utility.
It's an Odyssey Utility sprocket with the bash guard. Definitely put that thing to use today. And then the pedals, you can see these are the Colt DAC pedals. And these have actually, for plastic pedals, they've lasted me quite a long time. So we're almost on a year, and I like to say I ride a lot. Let's see, what else do we got on this thing? Oh, the brakes. So starting with the lever, this is an Odyssey mono lever, kind of like a short lever because it stays out of the way for the most part. And then my cable is a Kink Linear DX cable. Really solid cable, especially when you line the actual cable with some grease. It makes your brakes work a lot better. And going all the way to the arms, those are Fly CNC brakes. And then the pads are just some clear, short Odyssey pads. And that's my bike. Go ahead and drop us a like, and check out the STF Mobile Bike Shop at stfbrand.com.
Yeah, right on. Thank you, Mike.
Oh yeah, no problem, man.